Installing new windows can be a big undertaking, and deciding when to replace them is not an exact science. Here are top reasons why homeowners say they are replacing their windows. Damaged, rotted, or failing windows and frames are obvious signs that replacement is needed, sooner than later. Did you know fog between panes of glass signals seal failure? This can cause a reduction in energy efficiency and impact your utility bills. It can be a real problem when windows aren't operating properly. Windows that are a chore to open and close, have been painted shut, or are missing hardware pose a safety concern, especially in the event of a fire or other emergency. One of the most frequent reasons homeowners consider new windows is to help lower heating and cooling bills. Replacing aging, drafty windows with energy-efficient products will help your home maintain a consistent temperature and increase overall comfort. Keeping windows looking good can be a lot of work. Some window features make maintenance easier. Often, you can even match unique all-wood window styles with virtually maintenance-free alternatives. Composite, vinyl, or aluminum-clad exteriors are low maintenance, with no painting or scraping required. Plus, cleaning glass is easier with windows that tilt inward or open wide, so you can remove dirt and smudges from inside your home. Window replacement provides an opportunity to rethink windows and the role they play in your home. They're a chance to improve airflow, increase natural lighting, expand the size of window openings, or create new ones altogether. Sometimes there may not be a problem, but windows are replaced to improve curb appeal. Because they are a prominent feature, faded colors or mismatched styles can lower your home's perceived value, particularly if you're trying to lure prospective buyers. Switching up the styles, shapes, colors, or trim can roll right into a planned home makeover. Customized options are available if you're restoring the charm of a historic home. Keep all of these things in mind when determining whether it's time to replace your home's windows. No matter the reason, replacing windows is a fast and simple way to enhance the attractiveness of your property and boost your home's value in the process. Your home is among your biggest investments, and new windows can improve its beauty, comfort, and value. Don't just replace your windows, upgrade your home.